the vacuum leak must have been really bad. I mean, it was struggling, throttling down, going down RPMs when I, let go of the throttle. It was really lagging. So anyway, yeah, that's getting that carb off. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'll upload a part 2. The part 2 will be, just hit subscribe. See right here, I'm gonna have to like follow that down a little bit. You just gotta be careful around these because it's aluminum. So yeah, there'll be a part 2, and oh, that's leaking.